In a thrilling encounter at Loftus Versfeld on Tuesday night, Mamelodi Sundowns extended their unbeaten streak in the DStv Premiership to 18 matches, but were denied their 15th win as they settled for a 1-1 draw against SuperSport United. The game started with Sundowns dominating possession, while SuperSport opted to soak up pressure and counter. Despite Sundowns' early dominance, it was Rulani Mokoena who broke the deadlock with a stunning long-range strike in the 29th minute. However, SuperSport quickly responded through Bradley Horbler's goal just 4 minutes later, capitalizing on a set-piece situation. In the second half, Sundowns continued to control possession but struggled to create clear-cut chances against SuperSport's resolute defense. Despite introducing fresh legs from the bench, Sundowns failed to find the breakthrough as SuperSports defended admirably to secure a valuable point. With this result, Mamelodi Sundowns maintained their unbeaten run but will be disappointed not to secure maximum points, while SuperSport United will be pleased with their resilient performance against the league leaders. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Bye.